हेलौ नोंथांमोन माबोरै दं खबरा? आं नोंथांमोननि थाखाय मोनसे भिडिअ लानाय फैदों। बे भिडिअआ जाहैबाय जाय बिथांमोनहा गोदानै इउटुब खुलिनाय बिथांमोननि थाखाय आं लानाय फैदों। जाय बिथांमोनहा एकदमबारे माबायानो फैया, माने साबस्क्राइबारनो फैया, भिउस आं नेक्स्टआव खोन्थागोन जाहैबाय। दा बिथांमोनहा साबस्क्राइबखौहाय नागिरग्रोबानो जाबाय। जिथु आंनि भिडिअआ मोजाङै नोंथांमोननो खोन्थानानै होनाय जादोंबा नोंथांमोनहा लाइक खालामना होबानो जाबाय, साबस्क्राइब खालामना होबानो जाबाय आरो लोगोफोरनो शेयार खालामना होबानो जाबाय। होमबा जोङो फै।
Good morning everyone. Today I will teach you how to get 1k subscribers or more in just 24 hours just using an application with a proof and 100% free. So make sure to watch till the end to learn the secret. As you see, I only have 7 subscribers, and by the way, this is just my second account, so don't subscribe to this. And now I will start, and this is the application I'm going to use. It is called YouTube Booster. I will put the download link at the description below. And by the way guys, I didn't purchase anything in this app. As you see, I only have 0 coins, and this coin will be used to start your campaign. And it's very easy to earn, because you can earn it automatically and totally free. But before I start earning coins, I'm going to use a dummy account to auto-subscribe. And now I already log in my dummy account, and I will use this dummy account for subscribing to earn coins fast. And by the way, you can subscribe manually or automatically. Of course, I'm going to use auto sub future, so that I can leave it while I'm watching movies. And it's already earning coins. I will just be back later.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back. I just earned 1.6k coins. And let's try if this app is legit. I'm going to add my exchange. I will just exchange 5 subscribers for now, because I just want to show you first if it's really working. And the cost per sub is 50 coins, so we can see the result in just a few seconds or a minute. And here you can select and choose your channel that you want to get subscribers. You can also choose what country that can subscribe to your channel. And now I'm going to check my YouTube channel subscribers, if someone already subscribes. So from 7 subscribers I now have 12 subscribers. That was really fast. Wait, I got an extra subscriber.
A few moments later.
And now for the real proof. I'm gonna try to hit 1k subscribers in just 24 hours. So today is Sunday, April 5th. I still have 1.5k coins. And for now, I'm going to create an exchange. And I'm going to put the number of subs will be 1.2k, and the cost per subscribe will only be 1 coin each, and let's check. Okay guys, I'm going to check back my subscribers count after 24 hours, so I will continue this video tomorrow.
The next day.
Good morning guys, and now, it's Monday, April 6th. And time to check my subscribers count again. So from 15 subscribers, now I just got 1.2k subs and more in just 24 hours. By the way, I just shared this guys because a lot of new YouTubers struggling on getting 1k subscribers. So if you have questions, just comment down below, and again, don't subscribe to this channel guys. I'm just using this for sharing random stuff I know, so good luck, stay safe everyone.
दानथामहा नुबाय माबादि जादों दानथामहा जुदि मोजां मोनदोंबा साबस्क्राइब खालामना होदो लोगोफोरनो शेयार खालामना होदो आरो लोगोफोर सोर सोर दं बिसोरनो शेयार खालामना होदो